What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we have a special one. Why? It's been a long-awaited video. It's been almost a year. Almost. Let's see. What is it? February? Yeah, about 4 months short of 3 months short of a year since this started, and because of COVID and everything else like that happened in between. This took a lot longer, way longer than it should have. And as you guys probably already know by the title, it is none other than the Integra. So the inside still remains the same except for, boom, these. So what are these, you might be asking? Well, some of you guys might already know just based on what they look like and the brand and what it says on both of those. But the Integra got a turbo. Let me show you guys. Ow. So, the last time I did the walkthrough, none of this was here. It was just a rebuilt stock B18 Honda engine. Now we have this guy, Spoolie Boy. Can't really see it, and I'm gonna kind of go a little bit into detail as to why this is set up like this and what took so long. So we went with, yes, an eBay turbo. Reason being, this was supposed to be a budget build from the beginning. From when I very first got the car, it was supposed to be nothing that I was dumping a lot of money into, but then one thing led to another, and the car is now turboed. As you can see, I'm expecting it to be a lot faster than my Subaru based on the power to weight ratio. I'm not expecting crazy numbers, but I'm hoping for 350 max. That alone might even have trouble hooking, like the tires might have trouble hooking with all that power. So let's get into it. So what we did was I got a eBay turbo kit from Boosted Motorsports out in Riverside. We got a precision turbo wastegate, we got a Grim Speed boost controller, and then we got a custom intercooler piping with the mount front. Originally this was supposed to take no more than a month, but a couple things happened. First one being, and the reason why this is set up like this, is the piping was actually wrong. The piping was supposed to go like this, obviously, but this elbow wasn't included. That's why it's welded right here. And this, when done the way it was like given to me, the intercooler piping would come out all the way out here. So because of all that, the turbo was mounted upside down. This is upside down, and the intercooler piping is all custom made. That's why you got the welds there, welds, well, down in the front, probably can't see it, and right here, and all along the rest of the intercooler piping, because like I said, the piping was just all wrong. So when we're getting the piping done, the fabricator went to Mexico and he was out there for a while, so he couldn't get that finished. I had got this kit, returned it, and I had ordered another one online, but because of COVID it was halted, because it was during the second shutdown. Excuse me, it was halted, and I never got that package. So then the order was canceled. I had to go back, get this one done, send it out to get all custom made, and that was that. So then between waiting for parts, getting faulty parts in the mail, you know, just so many things happen with this freaking build that it took almost a full year. But we got, like I said, the turbo kit, intercooler. We downsized to a half size radiator to fit all this. We got a custom dump tube. What else? The battery got relocated to the rear really nicely, actually. Let me see. It's in there, and it's a little box now. It's really hard to do one-handed, so I won't do it. The car also got new wheels. reason for the wheels were because the ones were a lot smaller, and it was hard to find the right tire for it. And I don't think I'm gonna keep these tires either way. I got them with the wheels, but I need something that's gonna be able to hook. So I'm thinking some like Federal RSRRs. The car does still need a couple things here and there, like I was saying. So the car's kind of a mess inside right now, but along with all the turbo upgrades and everything, we got a new timing belt, new water pump. We had an O2 sensor because there was no O2 sensor prior from the first engine rebuild. This is one of the, there we go, one of the what do you call it, gauges that came in that wasn't working, so let me keep it. So the car's a mess right now. I have to get rid of some stuff. We got the old radiator right here. The car still needs a few more things, like there's way too much play here, but that's easy. I need a new shift linkage, the new gas or rubber grommet that goes in the bottom of the bushing, I mean. As far as that, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it looking like full interior and just kind of like drive it like this for a while, or if I'm gonna gut everything, get a cage, harness, seats. But I feel like that's more for the future. The car is scheduled to get tuned on Wednesday, what is it, March 3rd. Today is the 26th. But yeah, I'm really excited for this. It's been a long time coming. It's been one of the dreams I guess I've had for this car, was to turbo it and turn it into a little monster, but give it like that sleeper look. So like you guys can tell, it is not a show car by any means. It does need to get lowered a lot, but that's coming. I need to fix some of the panels like this. Okay, there's a gap. The lights are a little broken. The latch for the hood is broken. Oops. You know, it's still a little rough around the edges, so I kind of want to keep it like that though, to kind of keep it like really give it that sleeper look. But this is not the final form of the car. I have other plans for the future, but first I want to get this done, get this back on the road, and have fun with it. I really do believe it's going to be faster than my Subaru. It's going to be another video to come. If you guys remember what it looked like under here before, I will be linking in one of the cars right here the first walk around. That was a pretty quick video, but let me turn it on for you guys so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Not much change with the sound, but you can kind of hear the turbo under the exhaust. Super cheap build. I've already spent a lot more than I would have liked to on it, but I don't regret any of it. Like along with the turbo kit, I got a new track bar. You can't really see it with that ribbon right there. Got the new like trailing arms right here, both sides. This got relocated. What else? Honestly, like the full turbo setup, it was super legit. It was done really well. I'm not upset of how long it took, because I know it was done right. Obviously, I would have liked to have had it sooner. A lot of content that could have been putting out. There's a lot of things that could have been working on the car in the meantime. Like, for example, that shift linkage and like the bushing, I could have rules for it already. I could have lowered it. But those are things that don't take very long either way. I'm just glad it's done right. The car's idling better than it did before. One of the things that the guys at the shop noticed was that my VTEC solenoid, the ground was unplugged, so I'd get to like 4,000 or 5,000 RPM and start bugging out. And I think it's because they're trying to kick the VTEC on, and it just didn't have it activating, so it just bugged out. But like I said, this car is far from done, so I'm gonna go with the sleeper look for a while. You know, kind of pull up on people, give them the smoke unsuspectedly, but eventually this is gonna turn into an absolute monster. Like, And I'm talking like redoing everything, like painting the car, clearing up, like getting new fenders for it, doing body work. So it's got like a couple dents here and there. You know, I don't know, I might go back to the factory green, like that original green. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But super excited for the car to be tuned. I will be recording the dyno sesh, so make sure you subscribe and keep up with the videos for that. Like I said, we're less than a week away from getting it dynoed, so you won't want to miss that. And then shortly after the dyno, depending on how it's running and everything, I'll probably race my Subaru just to see where we're at. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should do to it. Should I do full gutted interior and then get racing seats in the harness, or keep it full interior for now, and then when I turn it into a monster, go freaking full gutted, like everything? Just let me know what you guys think. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Just feel like it was about time I did a update on the Integra, where it's been. But like I said, COVID really screwed me over on this one. A lot of the parts were in back order, a lot of the parts were shipped but not fully sent out because of the shutdowns. People stopped working, people weren't working, you know, they were doing the welds here in Mexico with family because they were having some troubles. So that took a while. So super glad I have it back, super stoked that it's pretty much there. We're like almost done. Like, I don't want to jinx it, but we're almost done. If you guys have any recommendations for coilovers to lower this thing, let me know. I'm really interested in seeing what you guys think. I want to do full-on coilovers. I don't think I'm going to do just the springs, just because I do need to stiffen the suspension, especially if the car's going to be making a lot more power. I don't want to have it like bouncing everywhere. The suspension isn't right. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, make sure you subscribe to keep up with the build. And this one, like I said, has a couple more things on it. I have a couple more things on the radar for this one that you won't want to miss. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.